Not feeling well after you have bread? Maybe try gluten-free. I'm going to show you my top 2 clean and healthy, whole grain, gluten-free breads. And at the end, I'll show you when to avoid. My favorite one is Canyon Bakehouse. This is the 7-grain bread and the ingredients are clean as can be. They use extra virgin olive oil and don't add any natural flavors. They have many different kinds to choose from, and they also have bagels. Next, we have Food for Life. And this is a sprouted gluten-free bread, so it's more nutritious and easier to digest. They are using safflower oil, but it's organic and non-GMO, so it's much better than conventional. And the one to avoid is Udi's. These guys are so close to getting it right, but they add canola oil, and it's not organic.